In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact on BOTIM. First, let's get started by opening the BOTIM app on your device. You will see the familiar interface that provides access to your chats, calls, and contacts. Make sure you are on the home screen, as this is where you will begin. Opening the app is essential since it allows you to access all the features you need for communication. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate easily as you proceed with the steps to add a new contact. Next, look for the plus icon on the screen. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of the interface. Tapping this icon is crucial because it is your gateway to adding new contacts. When you tap the plus icon, a menu will appear giving you options to create a new contact or perform other actions. This simple step sets the stage for the next actions you will take. You'll notice that the app responds quickly, which is reassuring as you move forward. After tapping the plus icon, you will see options for New Contact or Add Contact. Select one of these options. Either choice will lead you to the same screen where you can input your new contact's details. Choosing this option is important because it signals to the app that you are ready to enter new information. You should feel confident at this point, as you are on the right track to expanding your contact list. Now, it's time to enter the contact's details. Start by filling in their first name. This is the most important piece of information, as it helps you identify the contact easily later on. If you want, you can also include the last name, but it is optional. This flexibility allows you to customize your contact entries based on your preferences. After that, you will need to enter the phone number. Make sure to include the country code if it's an international number. This is vital for ensuring that the contact can be reached without issues. Once you have entered all the necessary information, it is time to tap the Save button. This step is crucial because it officially adds the contact to your BOTIM account. After you tap Save, you will see a confirmation appear on the screen, indicating that your new contact has been successfully added. This feedback is important as it assures you that your efforts have paid off and that the contact is now part of your list. With that done, you have successfully added a contact on BOTIM. You can now easily communicate with this new contact through messages or calls. Remember, adding contacts is a straightforward process that enhances your experience with the app. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you want to reach out to your friends or family. Congratulations! You have learned how to add a contact on BOTIM. This process is simple and quick, making it easy to keep your connections organized. Now you can enjoy all the features BOTIM has to offer, knowing that your important contacts are just a tap away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.